Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail if you're new to my channel. If not, welcome back. Today I will be doing my full face of Dollar Tree makeup. So I'm not in my normal setup because I'm visiting my sister right now. So I am just in her sewing room. So sorry if you see a whole bunch of stuff in the background. But I got 2 bags of Dollar Tree makeup. I only spent $16. I went on 2 trips to do this. Because I just wanted to go back and see if I missed anything, and I did. I picked up a few other products, but you know what, I believe that you can do your makeup with inexpensive makeup. And before I even started with all these high-end makeup, I would go ahead and get drugstore makeup, Dollar Tree makeup. So I'm really excited to do this and go back to my roots. If you guys want to see how I do this, then just keep watching. Okay, so as always, I'm going to be starting with my eyes first. I picked up this for eyes. It is LA Colors, a sunset eyeshadow, and this is a new eyeshadow palette they have. I'm picking this shade right in the middle for my crease. The little container things are so small, so it's hard to get your brush in there. Wow, this is really pigmented, guys. Let's see how it blends. I didn't find any eyeshadow primer or face primer at all, so we're just gonna be going in like that. You know, there's absolutely no fallout at all. This is awesome. The shadow's a little bit hard to blend in, but as every makeup look, you wanna take your time and blend it. Okay, I should have gone with this one first in my crease, but I'm gonna be taking that to help blend the top part right here a bit. Yeah, this helps a lot. I'm going to be taking this dark color brown here and just put it a little bit underneath here. $1 eyeshadows. LA Colors have been stepping up their game with their formula. With a clean brush, just blend it. And I kind of want to use this purple color. Or should I? Yeah, I'm going to try with the brush first. If not, I'm going to go all in with my finger. I'm going to be using this flat brush. I honestly don't know where it's from. And see how this... Wow. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. I believe it'll work better with your fingers, so we're gonna try that. Yep, look at that color, this peachy color in the inner corner. So we are done with eyes. For foundation, it's from LA Colors as well. It is a flawless looking skin liquid makeup fondant. I'm pretty sure it's like foundation. This is in the shade Natural. I believe they only had this color and a very dark one. And I'm gonna be using it as always with my beauty sponge. The shade is not bad. It's actually like my shade color. It blends really well. Not that much full coverage. I can still see some of my scars, my eyeglass dent there that I have there, so I'm going to be going in a second time. I think that's a good coverage. Okay. For concealer, There is honestly only this shade, which is nude, and it's also from LA Colors. It looks a little bit dark to highlight, so I'm just going to be using a little bit of this on the spots where the foundation didn't really cover. This is the concealer. I'm going to be putting this underneath my eyes. It's a little bit pinky, which I feel like it's going to help with the dark circles a bit, because you know how they say to use like a salmon color to brighten it up. Let's see. I'm going to be squeezing my beauty blender to get into these inner corners. This actually works really good in your under eye. The only thing, it's very thin, so I'm going to be going in a little bit more. It kind of brightened my under eye. I'm going to be taking it a little bit more down this time because I kind of liked how it looked. Putting this a little bit here. Okay, so now I'm putting it where I normally put my concealer on. So I did not find a translucent powder to set my under eyes or an under eye powder. So I'm just gonna be going in with the LA Colors pressed powder. The only shade they had was this color Nude. That was closest to my skin color. It comes with a little sponge. It's very thin sponge, but you can use it if you want. I'm not. I'm gonna be using my beauty sponge as well. It has a very clear mirror, which I can see myself really good too. So I'm gonna be taking my beauty sponge and using this all over my face to set it. Okay, so I'm going to be working on my eyebrows. I got this e.l.f. This is an eyeliner pencil in the shade Coffee, but we're going to use this and improvise. e.l.f. is really good. I used to love e.l.f. I remember when they were $1 before at Target, and I used to buy everything. Now they've raised their prices a bit, but it's still affordable compared to other brands, and they're very good. So this is an eye pencil, and it comes with a sharpener as well. I'm gonna just be outlining my eyebrows with this. A little bit goes a long way. You have to be very light-handed with this. I'm gonna fix it a bit with concealer. So I'm going to be setting it with powder, and for that, taking this brown to kind of set my brow. Okay, I think that's the best I can do with eyebrows. They're a little bit darker than normal, but we'll make it work. Bronzer, I'm going to use the same LA pressed powder, but in a darker shade. I don't have all my brushes, so I'm going to use this Sigma Flat Kabuki brush. It's a little bit different shape, but I'm going to be using the side of it, which will make it work. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using this LA Colors Auto Eyeliner. I needed a smudging eyeliner, so this will work. The thing, it doesn't hold it, so be careful not to lose that. Blending it with the same brown shade we took the first color on our eyeshadows. blending it in. Taking this Wet n Wild mascara. I heard this mascara is really good actually. Oh, before that I forgot, I bought liquid eyeliner for the top of my eyes. This is from LA Colors as well. I've noticed everything is from LA Colors except for the mascara. And meanwhile, I'm gonna let my eyelashes dry up with glue. These are the eyelashes I found. Fashion eyelashes. It's the only style they have, Sassy and Chic. I'm gonna bend it as well so it can kind of grab our eye shape. Okay, not bad. The wand is a little bit stiff, but we can make it work. I'm going to be doing the same thing to my other eye. Our glue is tacky for our eyelashes. You know what I forgot to do is put my mascara on. Eyelashes are set. They are pretty long for my eye size. I should have measured and cut them out, which I didn't. My bad. I'm gonna be taking this to set my eyebrows. This mascara is good for that too because it doesn't pick up that much product. I got the LA Color blush in the shade Toast. And this one does come with a little brush thingy. I'm gonna see if I can use this. If not, I'll use my regular blush brush. The sun came out. It was a very gloomy day today. And it is my sister's birthday, so we wanted to take her out and we're like, what are we gonna do? It's raining. It's easier with this blush, with this brush, it's bigger. Okay, for highlight, I got LA Colors highlight. It just says shine bright. So we will be shining bright. Packet is very slim. Perfect for when you're traveling like me right now. And it's like a champagne color. Here we go. Look how pigmented that thing is. For lipstick, it was really hard to choose because I didn't really know what eye look I was gonna do. I'm using this Wet n Wild Breeze and Bryce. Didn't find any lip liner. There was only like a pink one and I didn't really want to do a bright lip. Feels very creamy. It's a nice nude actually. To set everything, because you guys know I like to set my makeup, I found a setting spray. Surprisingly, I thought I wouldn't find one. This is from LA Colors. It's this little cute setting spray. I would so go out like this. I love the eye look. Oh my god, I got mascara. If I were to pick a product, I would pick the blush, the highlighter, and the eyeshadow palette because I am in love. The lipstick is very creamy and I like it. The only thing that I went wrong was my eyebrows are very dark. But so far we made it work, and this was really fun to do this, to discover these new makeup and not just rely on high-end products. Dollar Tree makeup. Not bad. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Please stay safe, stay home, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.